First of all, good afternoon or good evening to everyone. I just want to say thank you very, very much for joining us in our day, being together, especially sa mga ninang at ninong ko, and to those na hindi nakarating. Especially also kay Ate Joy, Tita Joy, thank you. Walang ganito kung wala ka. And to everybody, maraming salamat sa pagbuo ng araw na ito. Mga ka-office mates ko na pinilit makarating from north to south. So maraming salamat sa lahat. Tatanungin namin yung malaking ng loob. At para sa mga nagmamahal kay Bing, buong buhay at pipilitin kong mahirap mga ako eh. Minsan ang pangako hindi natutupad. So mas maganda pakinggan ko. Pipilitin ko at pipilitin namin na maging umabot sa golden at sa kung ano man sumunod doon hanggang sa dulo. So, ibigay talaga.
Thank you so much sa mga parents namin na grabe sobrang support. Sa nanay ko na nagda-tantrums na sa syempre po, sa parents ko ni Philip na sobrang
So ako na lang tutuloy. Ito kasi bali special thank namin to sa mga taong kung hindi dahil sa amin na wala talaga to. Especially sa mga parents namin, si mama, si papa, si lahat ng pinsa nila, niya, and to God, talagang in-embrace namin. Through all these months, 7 months preparation, talagang pressure, away, trial, we've known each other, talagang dahil lang doon sa 7 months na preparation namin. And it's been wonderful and napakasaya nung 7 months na paglalakbay namin. So just want to say thank you to God, my parents, to all of you guys. We will love you forever.
syempre sa mga bisita namin na sobrang nag-travel pa, nagreklamo pero pumunta. Sobrang salamat. Alam ko, sobrang hirap kayo papunta dito. Maraming mga natanungan, yung mga lasing na natanungan ng mga pinsan ko. Mami, thank you. Alam ko parang pangalan na Sir Jordan, Carol, Olive.
Thank you so much.
At syempre, sa ating mga kaibigan, everybody, salamat.
Thank you.
Okay, once again, give it up for Philip and Big. You know what, ito ha, bago ko i-close, natutuwa naman ako sa kanila kasi they can really make a promise eh, di ba? Kasi no marriage naman is perfect talaga. Pero what's good about them is that they will try their best to make it work out. And I hope the two of you will stay longer than expected. Good luck to both of you. God bless your married life. Thank you so much for inviting us. Maraming salamat po sa mga principal sponsors, sa inyong lahat, sa bridal entourage of course. Miss Julia Digital Studio, Perfect Choice Catering of the beautiful Miss Joy Choco here. Audio Drinks for the Sounds, Hair and Makeup by Matt Valentine and Jocelyn Monte Carlo. Of course, my staff, thank you rin. Kay Tita sa Rosalinda, maraming salamat for accommodating us. And to all of you who attended, thank you and God bless all of you as we all go back home. Maraming salamat. So once again, this has been your host, Ron. Thank you also, syempre, kay Mr. Raven Pamesa. Good luck again to both of you. God bless. And I love you all. Good night, everyone. Thank you. And I'm not happy, of course.